Hello and welcome to a new video. In this video we're going to install a pool. Not a in-ground pool or nothing excessive, but just a pool for me and my family and whatever guests we have on the train. Just a quick and dirty pool. Now, to be honest, the pool's already here. Well, that was it for this video. Nah, just kidding. Okay, so we've got the pool here. We set it up yesterday. We put some artificial grass on the ground, and this area we've leveled that a couple of weeks ago, and we put up the pool and we filled it partially with water. So why are we making this video? Well, that's because of the pump. But that I'll show you later on why. First, let's get some work done. We still have some things to do. For instance, we don't have electricity over here, so we need to get that going. And we need to install all the tubing. That's going to be interesting. So we've got our house on this side, and we've got the chicken coop where the pump will be on that side. And in between there's a road. So we need the electricity to go from there to there. And since we've got our road where we drive and our neighbors drive over here, we want the electricity cable to be underground. Let's start hacking. So we've got the trench dug. We've only did the part at the road because later on in the year we're going to make quite a big hole over here with a lot of things having to do with water. Not gonna tell you what. If you're interested, consider subscribing. Now let's continue. Now most of the cable will be above ground, and also the trench is quite shallow, so we want to protect the cable a bit more. Not just against the elements, but also against this element when I'm using the lawnmower. I don't want to chop that cable in half. So luckily we had some pipe laying on the land. 85 meters to be exact. Now why do I know that measurement? Well, it's because we've pulled this pipe out of our borehole 3-4 times already before replacing it. If you want to know more about that, there is a video about it, so I'll put it somewhere there or there. I don't know how that works exactly. So we're going to put the electrical pipe in this pipe. Women can do multitasking, huh? Picking oranges and getting the tube all at once. You go, girl. I think it wouldn't be that difficult to get a cable this size through a pipe this size. I mean, look at the difference. But I'm just not getting it through. I've tried a couple of times, but so now I'm going to try something else. I've seen it online a couple of times, but I'm kind of doubtful, and that's using plastic bag, a vacuum cleaner, and a rope to pull it through. I doubt this will work, but hey, if it's on Facebook, it's probably true, right? Okay, moment of truth. Let's see what happens on the other side. It is quite a long stretch though. I think it's like 25 meters of tube. But hey, let's see. No, I don't think this is doing anything. Well, it is sucking. Are you kidding me? It's just slowly gliding through my hands. It's crazy. It's crawling now. It was off to a good start, but now it's really slow. We'll just wait and see. I think we're on to something with this, but it's not going very quickly. So I think we have to flush the pipe first, get some debris out, get it a bit wet, maybe a bit more slippery because of it, and see if we can pull it through. First, let's pull the rope out and see how far we came actually. Yes, tot hier. Well, I didn't expect that. It's pretty close, I think. We put the rope next to the tube and we were at like 80%. Here it is. And the end is over there. But still, let's try this tactic. Flush it. Yep. All right, flushed. Now let's try it again. Yes! Oh, we got it! That took some hard work. Oh my goodness, but we have something through the pipe. Awesome. Now let's pull that electrical wire through. Oh, please let this be easy. Here we go. Sil? Je mag gaan trekken. Ja. Push from this side and Sylvia's pulling from the other side. Okay. Yes. Victory. Socket done. Holy smokes, it's hot. Now it's time to get the pump installed. So our pump has a sand filter, a motor, a pre-filter, and this piece of technology. Now this turns salt into chlorine. So that means that we're going to add salt to the water, and then this machine turns the salt slowly every day, bit by bit, into chlorine, which means we don't have to test that often on chlorine and add chlorine tablets or whatever. The system just does that automatically. Pretty cool, huh? So far, so good. We've got the pre-filter, then we have the pump, then we have the sand filter, then we have the chlorinator, and then the water should run out again. And now it's time to do some MacGyvering again. Because we invested in quite a good pump, but we did not invest in quite a good swimming pool. We invested in a cheap swimming pool because we've got the location right now. It's probably only going to be this year, and then next year we might have another type of pool. So we bought something cheap that fits this location. That has some challenges, but before we start with those challenges, let's see if we can drill a couple of holes in this wall to get those pipes out again. And in and out and in. Yeah. So now the difficult part. This is the tube of the pump. And this is the tube of our cheap swimming pool. They don't really match. One can even go into the other. So I bought some connections to try to solve it. Yeah. Alright, it's like 9:30. You know how life goes on a homestead, especially with kids and stuff. Then they need supper, and then they need to go to bed, and then everything takes ages. So here I am at 9:30 in the evening trying to finish what I've started. Because I really want to have this finished. Let's see, light's almost gone, so hopefully I can get this done.
Kom maar, een ding aan doen. Een ding wezen.
Well, it was a late one yesterday evening, but we got the pump running. We filled the water with salt, let it run for the whole night, and now it's ready to be used. And the kids are loving it, all right. There's just one thing we want to add before we can call this project finished. And that's a shade cloth. Let's get it installed. I reckon we're ready for the summer. Alright guys, that was it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Yeah!